it's me, Malcolm Charles, and today we're going to make rainbow rain inside a glass. So we'll need a glass of water, some oil and some food colouring. So what we need to do is put the food colouring in the oil. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we'll do, wow, that's a lot. Oops. So, wow, that's actually quite a lot. Just one more droplet. There we go. So next we're going to mix it up. Actually very little. I think we could possibly take this out. So now we're going to pour the mixture in the water. That's fast enough. That should be enough. Let's see what happens below. Wow. The oily cloud releases a flood of coloured rain. Oil and water don't dissolve in each other because oil is less dense than water, which is why they remain separate. When the dye droplets reach the oil and water boundary, they dissolve in the water. This is very simple and easy to make. I hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye!